Hello and welcome to somewhere that's quite far out and distant. Up here in Upington to drive this, the all-new Ford Ranger Raptor. So this thing is tough, it's Baja rated. Let's get behind the wheel and see what it's like.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hello and welcome to joining me in a very, very special place, the eagerly awaited Ford Ranger Raptor. You see, it's out here when you get into the vehicle. On the outside you notice it looks bold and intimidating, the Ford insignia on the grille up front, the wide and flared arches, the ultimately increased profile of the vehicle and the way it sits. But it's when you get inside here you find that not only is it incredibly well kitted, because there is one variant only and it's packed with everything. Comfortable seats with the suede feel to them. You get this large racing style steering wheel with the racing stripe down the middle and these large magnesium alloy paddles. It all hints at something sporty, something powerful. But with all the power driven through Ford's 10-speed automated transmission, the 2-litre 4-cylinder motor pumps out 157 kilowatts of power, 500 newton meters of torque. Now, yes, there are faster bakkies out there. The ones which on the road will get higher speeds. But if it's that you're focused on, you're missing the point. The Ranger Raptor is all about being one of a kind when it comes to off-road performance. When you go into this mode button and you see a mode such as Baja, you realize that Ford aren't messing around here. This is all about getting very, very dirty and ultimately throwing what you can to it and just letting it deliver on all fronts. So let's pull onto the rough stuff now and see what the Ranger Raptor has to offer.
Just wanna be carefree lately, just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in.
And this is where the Ranger Raptor is in its natural habitat. It's here where you can feel all the suspension working, you can feel the performance, the Fox suspension, the BF Goodrich tires, and it's all these kind of places that you can really enjoy it. Just like that, you're getting air, you're getting it round bends, the sharpest rocks, stones, gravel, whatever you throw at it, any rough surfaces, it just handles incredibly well. And it's here where you can really have fun and push it on dirt, speeds that you cannot believe. Whatever we were doing when it was on the actual tarmac is a joke compared to what it will do out here when it's on the rough stuff. This is where you can feel that it's built for tough and that this Ranger Raptor is unlike any other. If you want something which is tough, strengthened, and really one of a kind in the off-road pickup market, the Ranger Raptor really is built for tough. From me, Jason of Technobock, this has just been a quick look at the vehicle straight off its SA Media launch. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.